everyone, this is Cybil, your skin fitness expert. I'm going to take a second and do something completely different than I usually do. So apologize if this isn't as polished as usual. So I love the new IGTV. It was just launched yesterday. And one of the things I've been doing is I've been going through my Facebook Live videos on Facebook. They are owned by Instagram, or Instagram is owned by Facebook, so they're partners. And one of the things I used to do is I used to film all of my Facebook Lives in vertical. And even the ones that are a few of mine that are actually filmed in horizontal, I am so closely cropped on them that when I bring them into IGTV, I can actually put them in horizontal and I'm still really closely framed in. So they work perfectly fine. The hardest thing is actually to find ones that are close enough to the 10-minute mark, which you can look at right here, like that one's really long, that they meet the parameters for IGTV for me, because most of them have to be between 15 seconds and 10 minutes, because I am not a big brand. So what you do is, if you did Facebook Lives or even just regular videos, you can go over to your videos over here on your sidebar. It'll pull up every video that you've done and that you've posted over here. And I would recommend that you just kind of go look through to see if you have any. You can also edit them for yourself if you'd like. You can download them and edit them. So let's go take a look real quick. So here's one that I have right here that is 10 minutes and 12 seconds. So what I can do is I can click on this one, and once I click on it, you can see that I did it in vertical. I'm gonna go ahead and pause it. And how you download these is you just go over to your sidebar, and there's these three little dots over here. You click on that, and there is a download video button right here. And then so you would just download that video. It appears wherever you have your downloads set. For me, I do it on my desktop because I can find them most quickly. Then if you want, you can go ahead and edit them in whatever editing studio you like. I'm on a Mac, so I use iMovie. And if you do use iMovie, the way you do an iMovie to make them so that they stay in this horizontal vertical plane is that you just click on the movie itself. A little icon on the side will appear, and it's a little zoom. And that zoom piece, you can actually, you can actually tell it that you want it to fit in the frame, and it will stay in this size. If you need to go find a tutorial on that, look on YouTube, because that's how I found out how to do this. So that way you can stay this size, and you can edit it, and then you can upload this to your IGTV, and you'll have a channel. And then what I like to do is I like to go over to Canva and go ahead and just make covers for them. So that way I have covers for all of them. And if you are making them on your phone, there's already an Instagram size one, Instagram story size. But if you want to, if you're making it on the desktop, you just want to use this size as a custom size. So you're just going to say, you make custom dimensions. So you'd go up here and say custom dimensions, and then put in these pixels. And that's it, guys. That's it. So hopefully that's a kind of sketchy but fast demo on how to do it, because this is not what I do for a living. I teach you how to do makeup and take care of your skin more appropriately, so best for your skin. All right, take care, guys. Bye.